In these questions, they're asking us to describe the transformation. So from A onto B, it's a translation because the shape doesn't change and the size and all that doesn't change. So it moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. So we could write that as a vector, and that would be 5 and 8. The next question is A onto C. It's a 3 mark, so you have to give 3 points. So our first point is enlargement. And our second point would be the scale factor. So our image is 2 units, 1, 2. So 2 over our object is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4, and then you could simplify it to 1 over 2. So our scale factor is 1 over 2. And now for our last mark, we have to state the point where it enlarges at. To find the point where it enlarges at, you're gonna have to grab your ruler and connect the vertices of your shape. So that is what I'm doing right now. So where all your lines intersect, or where all your line meets, is where your shape enlarges at. As you can see, all the line meets at the coordinates 0 and -7. The next question is asking A onto D, and you could tell that it is a rotation. It rotates 90-degree anti-clockwise. Like the previous question, we have to mention at which point it rotates at. So usually I will try the origin. So I'll try rotating the image from the origin. If you have a tracing paper, it would be much easier to find the point at which the object rotates. But I don't have a tracing paper right now, so I'm just doing it manually. So the point is at 0, 0. Or you could write it as the origin. For our last question, they're asking us to reflect the flag A onto the line y equals to -1. So first of all, we're going to draw the line y equals to -1. And that would be here. So I'm going to draw the line and label it. So y equals to -1. Now all we have to do is reflect flag A. So the points would be over here and here. Then I'm going to grab my ruler and draw the flag. Okay, so now we have our reflected image. Now I'm going to talk about how the marks are being allocated. So this is a 2 marks question, so you have to state 2 things. So you get a mark for saying that it's a translation, and you get a mark for saying the vector. And this one is a 3 marks question. So you get a mark for stating that it's an enlargement. You get another mark for saying the scale factor, and you get another mark for stating the coordinates. Now this is also a 3 marks question, so again you have to state the rotation, and that will give you 1 mark, and then you have to say how it rotates, the degrees, so 90 degrees anti-clockwise, that will give you another mark, and then lastly you'd have to state the point at which it rotates at, that will give you another mark. So this last question is a 2 marks question. So to get the first mark, you would have to draw the line and label it. and your second mark will be given when you draw the reflected image.